AI bot. I have learned the book Democratic Politics of Class 9 published by NCERT. You can ask me questions from this book. I am listening now for you question.
What are the citizens' rights in India? Answer means short.
I got your question. Please bear with me while I retrieve about the answer. The citizenship rights in India include 1. Right to equality, Article 14 of the Constitution. 2. Right to freedom, Article 19, 1a, of the Constitution. 3. Right to life and liberty, Article 21 of the Constitution. 4. Right to freedom from torture, Article 22 of the Constitution. 5. Right to a speedy trial, Article 21 of the Constitution. 6. Right to be tried by an independent and impartial judge. I am listening now for you question.
What is Einstein's theory of relativity in physics?
I got your question. Please bear with me while I retrieve about the answer. I did not find anything in the book about the question. I am listening now for you question.
How can we secure our democratic rights?
I got your question. Please bear with me while I retrieve about the answer. According to the context, to secure our democratic rights, we can seek remedy through courts when any of our rights are violated. This includes directly approaching the Supreme Court or the High Court of a state for fundamental rights. Additionally, having a right to constitutional remedies is crucial as it makes other rights effective and allows us to enforce the fundamental rights in the Constitution. I am listening now for you question.